player of the week, or at least player right now that is standing out for you in rugby?
Yeah, I think, everyone's speaking about it, and I think Sasha, the guy's just been
on the same page.
a magician. But yeah, I think Sasha in a dominant pack of forwards with a dominant pack of forwards like Stormers and a dynamic backline, he can basically do what he wants on the field, like at this stage. So I'm quite excited to see what he does the next couple of weeks, especially going into big playoff games, because if on the current trajectory, the Stormers probably going to end 5th, and then they're going to play Sharks away, and then if the Sharks pick a loaded Springbok side, it's going to be quite interesting to see if Sasha can do the same thing with a Eben chasing him down, with a pack of forwards that tries to get go forward, like with the Sharks when they've got Ox in there and Bongi and Vinny. It's going to be interesting to see what Sasha does what he does then, because then it's going to become a bit of a different dynamic.
Yeah.
And then if he steps up to the plate, then I'll take my hat off for him and say, but what you've done in the last 18 months or 2 years has just been incredible.